Hey guys, Nelson Cuesta here, and man, AgentFire is set to absolutely steamroll into 2018 with all of the great features that we're set to release. So let's not waste any time, let's get right into it. First up, one of the features that I'm most excited about, AF lead forms. If you guys are running Facebook or Google marketing campaigns, you're gonna absolutely love this. AF lead forms will easily be the most powerful lead form solution in the entire industry. That's a big statement, so let's go ahead and back it up. AF lead forms will be available for use in any lead page, regular page, post, and a few other new features, which I'll mention shortly since I don't want to ruin the surprise. Each lead form can be customized to show login options using Facebook, Google, and good old-fashioned email. You can toggle any of these on or off, which comes in really handy. Let's say you're running a Facebook marketing campaign to one of your lead pages. Pretty safe bet that all that traffic is going to have Facebook accounts. So maybe you should only show the Facebook button on those lead forms. But Nelson, what if I want to collect phone numbers? So normally with Facebook and Google opt-in buttons, you can only collect name and email. Their rules, not ours. But rules are meant to be broken. Unless we're talking about AgentFire terms of service. Anyway, with AF lead forms, if you want to capture phone numbers with social buttons, just choose the social login two-step social option. Make phone number optional or required, and voila. You'll capture their name and email when they click the login button, and then their phone number in the second step. If you need a specialty form, we've also got general contact, newsletter opt-in, buyer and seller guide, and schedule a call form options. AF lead forms also have loads of style and positioning options, so they're gonna look fantastic regardless of where they're being placed on your website. And we've even added an advanced styling option for power users, as if we would ever release a new feature that wasn't drop dead gorgeous. AF lead forms also has a great tagging system that you can use to better identify your leads when managing them in AF Lead Manager or other third-party CRMs. ETA on this one is early January. Now, speaking of leads, we've also built a brand new way to manage leads within your AgentFire website. Introducing AgentFire Lead Manager. With AF Lead Manager, you'll be able to manage all of your website leads from one centralized location. You'll see exactly where leads came from, when they came in, view lead details, add notes, and much more. Now, the big strength of the new system is in its ability to seamlessly integrate with leading third-party CRMs like LionDesk, Follow Up Boss, MailChimp, and more added every month, all in just a few clicks. ETA on this one is early January. Now, this next feature has been in development for close to 6 months, and we're just weeks away from release. Drum roll, please. Feast your eyes on the brand new Rev Cta 3.0. With Rev Cta 3.0, every single CTA has been rebuilt from the ground up with massive improvements across the board. We built a brand new Schedule a Call CTA, which also now features integration with Calendly as well as Facebook Messenger. Our buyer and seller guide CTAs now have tons of new options, including pop-up, slide-in, and full screen options. And check out our brand new social CTAs, like our Facebook Business Page Follow CTA or our Social Locker CTA that will actually lock your posts or pages with social logins so you can capture even more leads. We've also got brand new newsletter opt-in CTAs, email alerts, and much more. The same system will also be powering new CTAs within some of our most popular add-on features, like AgentFire Home Values, AgentFire Area Guides, and AgentFire Listings. And you see those forms? Yeah, those are all powered by AF lead forms, the same AF lead forms that we just covered, which means you'll be able to choose which opt-in methods to show, add tags, and everything else that comes with AF lead forms. We've also completely revamped the targeting system, so it's now easier than ever to target your CTAs to specific pages or posts within your AgentFire website. ETA on this one is mid to late January. Next up, AF Listings 3.0, another feature that's been completely rebuilt from the ground up. Now, I'm gonna level with you guys for a second. This is the feature here at AgentFire that's been most due for a complete overhaul. The front end of the previous system looked great, but the admin experience was a total disaster, and we heard you. When I think about the admin before I go to sleep, I don't sleep well. And well, now I'm sleeping like a baby. Now, that could be because I've eliminated blue light at night, increased my magnesium intake, started meditating, and added a 30-minute sauna session before bedtime. But I think the real reason I'm sleeping better is AF Listings 3.0. Starting with the admin experience, AF Listings 3.0 will now use the same powerful cornerstone front-end visual editor you've seen featured throughout this video. So you'll see your changes reflected in real time. Front-end editing is the future, and AgentFire is going to be leveraging our cornerstone front-end visual editor more and more into our features. Now, we've noticed in the past that personal listings get a ton of mobile traffic, which is why AF Listings 3.0 was built mobile first to ensure the best possible experience across all device sizes. Our new property detail pages are gorgeous, and you can set up a full screen property website in just a single click. When it comes to capturing leads, we've got you covered there as well with 2 killer features. First, we're making open house registration easier than ever. All you have to do is enter the time and date for the open house, enable the open house CTA, and boom, Your open house CTA will show along with a countdown timer up until the actual open house time. Second, we'll be adding a social locker option to these pages so that you can capture more leads when marketing your listings on Facebook. ETA on AF Listings 3.0 is currently end of January. Now, rounding out the list of updates, we've got 2 more features that are slated for February releases. First up, AF Team Members, which is a complete rebuild of our team member system, featuring greatly enhanced contact options for site visitors, including phone, email, and Facebook Messenger for team members with Facebook profiles, and complete integration with our AF Listings and AF Testimonials features. You'll see that team member profile pages can now feature individual agent listings as well as their testimonials. And the integrations go both ways, as individual listings can also be attributed to individual team members and much more. All of our new features talk to each other really nicely. And lastly, we're also working on a brand new AgentFire testimonials. The new system still integrates with Zillow reviews and will benefit from a number of improved styling options, now including video testimonials. It'll also now be easier than ever to add testimonials anywhere on your site when editing using you guessed it, the cornerstone front-end visual editor that we mentioned earlier. Now, the last thing I wanted to mention, and it's actually a service, we have now officially launched our AgentFire Marketeer PPC services, and we're getting incredible results for our clients. If you're looking to make 2018 a big year, make sure to check out the Marketeer PPC services page on our website for more information. And make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram to check out the massive case study we just released about the tremendous success we had generating over $50,000 in commissions for just $2K in ad spend in one of the most competitive markets in the entire USA. We've got massive plans for all of 2018. This sneak peek just covers the first few months. From everyone here at AgentFire to our clients, both present and future, here's to making 2018 an absolute knockout year together. Cheers.